again with another video, and today we are doing the installation process of the 4x4 closured wig that's 20 inches from Amazon. And as you can see, my hair is all braided up, ready to go. That's one main thing, that when you are installing your wig, make sure your foundation is 100%, sis. Your foundation, that's where it all starts. That's where it all begins. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so right here, your girl was struggling. I was trying to do the spray method for the, applying this wig cap. And normally I would use glue. It's not everybody's preference, but I love the way that it comes out. And luckily, this is just a 4x4 closure because I will not be doing this way again, even though it was my first time. So don't judge me. I didn't end up filming the rest, and yeah. So I put the wig on my head. As you can see, it still has the lace on it. I did not bleach the knots. I just did the makeup method. So yeah, right now I'm just trying to position the wig cap, making it where I want it to be at before I apply more gel and the spray, before I end up cutting the lace. I was really stressing, like y'all just don't understand. After applying some of the Got To Be glue gel, I just blow dried it on high, but like a medium setting, so it wasn't too hot, because you don't want to burn yourself up, and I sure am not gonna be burning myself up. But I was really getting tired of messing with this closure, so just trying to get everything squared away before spraying it down a little bit and starting to cut this lace off. Alright, we get into the home stretch, okay? Check it out, check it out. So I just pulled down a few pieces to do some edges, and after I did this later on, I didn't even have my edges showing, and then I ended up pulling the one side in the front, kind of where the middle part was. Also, I ended up plucking the part a little bit because it was very small, so I plucked it and added some makeup to it. I really did not realize that I did not film the rest of me doing my edges, but either way, it doesn't even matter because I didn't end up having them showing. Here, I'm just cutting some layers, trying to do the 90s look. Don't be like me and actually use some hair cutting shears. I don't have any like I used to, so that's another thing I need to purchase. But don't use scissors like these. Use hair cutting shears if you can. finished layering, and now I'm just bumping the ends to give that style more emphasis to it. Okay, so we have reached the home stretch, and yeah, I'm just bumping the ends. This side I had such a hard time with. I have no idea why, but the way that it was bumping, it wasn't doing what I needed it to do, and it gave me a struggle, and it's still giving me a struggle, but I think I had needed to just cut some more, so I did cut a little more layers, or I kind of fixed it a little bit, but it's still giving me a little issue. I don't know why, but whatever. It's always got to be one side. Here I just put some foam on the top of my hair to lay down the flyaways because I don't have that stick that everybody has. But don't worry, further along with my videos I will be using that. As you can see, I was very happy with the way that it came out. I mean, look at your girl. Hey. I'm super happy with the way that it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Can't wait to see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.